Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and we are here today and we're going to show you a little something new that we are putting on this channel. Maybe you guys have seen it in the past couple of videos or posts that we've done, but Wes and I have become ambassadors for Moxie Lash.
So this video also is sponsored by Moxie.
Today we're going to be showing you two new kits that they did come out with. I'm going to be showing you the natural kit.
And I am going to be showing the dramatic kits. We're going to be showing the differences between the two and then also how to apply the magnetic lashes.
But before we jump into that, we're going to do a little cute moment in our eyes and then we'll start talking about the lashes and so forth.
So we're just going to share this palette for this video. This is the BH Cosmetics collab with Lavendun Prints. So there's some neutrals and some color.
I'm dipping into the shade Cocoa.
I want that shade in my crease. It's so warm and pretty.
That's why I'm putting in my crease.
Okay, I'm gonna copy you.
Why?
Just in the crease.
You always be copying me. Now that I placed Cocoa inside my crease, I'm going to go ahead and dip into the shade Brillo. I'm going to place that on my lid. And I'll be using my finger. So since I'm using the dramatic kit, I'm going to keep my look a little more, I'm using the natural kit. So I'm going to keep my eye look a little more natural. Alright, now that I have put that shimmer on my lid and blended it into my crease, I'm going to go ahead and dip into the shade Monarch and put that in my inner corner.
I'm going to throw some of this yellow shade Noel. I'm going to throw that into my crease a little bit to warm it up.
And this does complete my eye look. I'm going to go ahead and jump to the other eye. Girl, I need to dip in.
Dip in, honey.
If you guys can hear wind chimes, I'm sorry.
Charms?
Aren't they called wind chimes?
Chimes.
Oh shit, wind chimes, honey. I'm sorry.
He thought crack kills. You know when people bend over in their crack shows? Crack kills? He thought it was crack hills.
Crack hills. I've always heard crack hills.
No,
Like,
crack
no.
kills.
Crack, it kills you. If you do crack, it kills you. Crack kills.
No, I'm talking about crack hills as in like your ass showing out of your pants.
He thinks like your ass is
You
like
think
hills.
crack kills.
Because you see the ass and then you see the crack. See, it's the hills and the crack hills. There's a crack in
Isn't that
hills.
so funny?
Crack kills.
Haters.
I'm going to throw the shade Sueño under the lower lash line, which is the purple shade in the palette.
She speaks Spanish.
More than you do.
Sure, buddy. Alright, so while Wes is finishing his other eye, I'm going to be giving you guys a little lowdown on the natural kit that I will be doing today. And each kit you do get 3 different types of lashes. And in the natural kit you do get Baby, Cheeky, and Classy, which is their most natural kit, which is good for everyday wear. Every kit does come with a compact mirror inside. It comes with a full-size magnetic liner. And it comes with their version of their tweezer. Each lash with proper care can be up to use 30 uses. Wes and I believe that if you do take care of it, they would last a lot longer, I think. So what we like about these lashes is that they're super cute, 3 different styles, easy to travel with, throw in your bag, take it with you. And so the only thing too is when you do apply the magnetic liner, there is a dry time. For us, it's usually between 30 seconds to a minute, depending on how much product you do pack on. So this is what the magnetic liquid liner looks like. It's really simple, guys. All you have to do is literally just follow the shape of your lid.
The shape of your lash line, or you can do a wing, you can do like graphic liners.
You can do anything.
Honestly, it's just eyeliner.
So this is what the applicator looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and apply.
Alright, my eyeshadow is done. So, let me talk about my lash kit. So the dramatic lash kit is the 3 most dramatic lashes that Moxie has out right now, all in one kit. So the styles that this box includes is Sassy Lash, Money Lash, Bossy Lash, and obviously it's the same. They're reusable up to like 30 times. You could probably get more use out of it. So here is the dramatic box. Comes with the, obviously, the liner, and then the lash applicator, and the 3 styles.
Alright guys, now that my liner is placed down, I'm going to go ahead and give that time to let it dry.
I'm gonna go ahead and apply mine. Like I said though, you can do, like a wing, you can do really thick liners, but for this sake, we're just going to line our lash line.
Alright guys, so it's been about a minute or 2. I'm going to go ahead and give my Moxie Magnetic Lash a little tap just to see if that product is dry. And my fingers are coming out clean, which means product is dried. So the first lash I'm going to be putting on is going to be Baby. And Baby is such a cute, natural looking lash. Super cute, super small, gives you just a nice little lift. And then there are 3 little magnets, which is what the magnetic liners and the lash connect. So let's pop it on. And as you can tell, it literally just like that.
That's really all you do is you just literally
pop it on. So this is the baby lash. I'm going to go ahead and put on the other side.
So these are obviously really good for people who are beginners to eyelashes. If they don't ever wear them, if you're intimidated by them, it's super easy. Literally anybody can do this. As long as you can just put a line on your lashes, you're good.
Personally, I like to use it because I am sick and tired of lash glue and it ripping out my lashes.
Or getting stuck in your lashes for a few days.
So I have both of the baby lashes on. And I like to set them on the outside just to give you a little. And look how easily they come off. Boom. And watch. You can just pop those babies back on just like that. Okay, you see how that worked?
Oh,
and take it off again, honey. Boom.
Wow.
So let's say you're going out, or no, let's say you just had a long day at the office. The girls want you to go out. You got the baby lashes off. You don't got to reapply. You don't got to take your lashes off. Just pop on a new pair. The next lash I will be putting on is Cheeky. And this one has a little more flair to it, okay? So this is Cheeky. As you can tell, there is a little more flair to it. A little more volume, but we still natural, okay? We still got the natural effect. We ain't doing nothing too crazy yet. And there you go. Just like that.
Okay, so I applied my liner, just waiting for it to dry down.
All right, Cheeky is good. Let's take it off. And now we're gonna put our next lash on, which is Classy. Okay, so this is Cheeky, and Cheeky is a shorter, more fuller lash. You don't have much of a flare, but it is more filled if you have thin brows. I mean, not brows, honey. Thin lashes. It's been a long day. So you also can use your hand, which is sometimes a little easier for some people. And she literally just pops on like that. Let's see if I can do this. Let's see if I can do this. Oh! Oh! Just like that.
Oh! Alright, so I put a lip on, so I'm ready to throw on my lashes. So I'm going to start with the least dramatic and work up to the most dramatic. Alright, so the first lash I'm going to start with is Sassy.
Ooh.
Here is a close-up of the Sassy lash. And you can see the magnets on it.
Now watch how he pops this on, just like I did. But this, because it's a fuller lash, you'll be able to see that. Bam. Literally. You
just
saw that.
like that. It's crazy because it feels like super secure. Like you can feel the magnetization and like...
I mean, do the trick yourself. Get a blow dryer.
Yeah, there's lots of people who have taken blow dryers to these and like they don't come off.
But like, no.
Ra-ta-ta-ta.
It's such an ease that everyone should just skip the glue and get to the magnetic, honey.
Level up your lash game, honey.
Period.
So here's a close-up of the Sassy lash. This is like an in-between natural and dramatic, I would say. And as Matt did the same, I'm just going to pop it off.
And inside the cases, which every Moxie Lash comes in, is the coolest little magnets that you just literally pop back onto the box.
So you just...
Boom.
And it goes back into place. Just like magic. So cool, guys. So now I'm going to pop on Money Lash.
Money,
honey. We all love money.
Ugh, I love this lash. It's one of my favorites.
Y'all ready for this?
Y'all ready for this?
Dun,
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 dun, dun, dun, dun, dun, dun. And she's on, just like that. You got money? Oh!
Got money, honey.
She got money.
Yeah. These ones are one of my favorites.
Ready? Look. Your mom, sister, or friend can help you do it. Because here we go.
He ripped my lash.
Oh! Just like that. No hassle. None.
So here is money, honey.
Money.
Close up.
Cute.
Gorgeous.
I love
One
it.
of my favorite lashes ever. So Bossy is the most dramatic lash that Moxie has. Wow. Yeah, that's definitely drama. It's baby mama drama right there.
So cute. And it's literally, once again, that simple.
Oh, and the thing with these also that I personally love is that I wear contacts when I have makeup on. And eyelash glue and eyelashes, just when you have contacts in, are so irritating. so irritating. Dries out my contacts like crazy.
But for some reason, when he wears Moxie Lash,
But with these, my eyes are not bothered. My contacts don't feel weird. I don't have to keep adjusting them. If it's uncomfortable, you can literally just take it off and readjust it. Here is Bossy. These are so pretty.
Alright guys, so as you can see, we went through the natural kit, we went through the dramatic kit. But don't forget to level up your lash game.
Level up.
You guys can use my code Matt at checkout for some money off, okay? We are ambassadors, so we are pushing it 100%.
Yeah, we definitely love these products and the company and everything, so you're definitely going to see more of Moxie Lash.
Definitely.
On our Instagram, YouTube, all that stuff.
It's something that we personally love and we want to share with you guys, so check it out. Let us know what you think.
Let us know your thoughts because this is a very new thing to eyelashes. There's not many people doing it, so I think it's badass.
It's badass and Moxie Lash did it right. But if you guys did like our video, go ahead and press the like button. If you have not yet subscribed, press the subscribe button.
Subscribe.
And if you guys have the chance to follow us on Instagram, go ahead and follow me at Matt Lars and follow Wesley
at Wesley Benjamin Carter.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in and joining us on this new video.
So I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Have a good morning, good afternoon, and a good evening.
Deuces.
Bye.